this video, I'm going to show you two ways to do a half double crochet decrease, or as it's sometimes called, half double crochet two together. If you're ready to learn, grab a hook and some yarn and let's get started. You can use whatever hook size and yarn you have on hand. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, a medium weight yarn, and all my tutorials are in US crochet terms. A half double crochet decrease is used to shape projects by reducing the number of stitches in a row. I'm at the beginning of a row of half double crochet stitches. If your pattern tells you to decrease or half double crochet two together, you'll yarn over, insert your hook under both loops of the stitch, yarn over, and pull through the loop. But instead of completing your half double crochet stitch by yarning over and pulling through all three loops on your hook, you yarn over, insert your hook under both loops of the next stitch, yarn over, and pull through the loop. You'll have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. That completes a half double crochet decrease. I'll half double crochet until I get to the last 2 stitches of the row, and then I'll do another decrease. So I'm at the last 2 stitches. I'll yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, insert my hook into the last stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then I'll yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on the hook. Let's do another row, but this time, instead of decreasing at the beginning and the end, we'll decrease in the middle of the row. So I'll make 2 half double crochet stitches, and then I'll decrease by yarning over, inserting my hook, yarning over and pulling through, yarn over again, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on the hook. I'll just do 2 more half double crochet stitches to finish off the row. So decreases are made the same way, whether you're at the beginning, the middle, or at the end of a row. Now let's take a look at our stitches. This is the half double crochet stitch, and this is the half double crochet decrease or half double crochet two together. As you can see, it's quite a bit bulkier than the half double crochet stitch. So I'm going to rip that row back, and we're going to do the row again, this time using a different method for doing the half double crochet decrease. This method starts the same way as the previous method. You yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. But instead of yarning over again, we simply insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. We have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. We'll do that again at the end of the row. So I'll make 2 half double crochet stitches, and then I'll decrease by yarning over, inserting my hook, yarning over and pulling through, inserting my hook into the last stitch of the row without yarning over, then I yarn over, pull through, I have 4 loops on my hook, I yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on the hook. Now I'm going to rip that row back again, and we're going to do 1 more row, this time doing 1 decrease using the standard method and 1 decrease using the second method that I showed you, so that you can see the difference in the stitches. So using the first method, I yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 5 loops. I'll make 1 half double crochet in between the decreases, and then I'll decrease using the second method. So I yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, insert my hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on the hook. So now let's take a look at the stitches. This is the stitch I made with the standard decrease. This is the half double crochet stitch, and this is the decrease made using the second method. This stitch is much closer in size to the half double crochet stitch than the stitch that's made using the standard method. There's no right or wrong way to do a half double crochet decrease. Choose the one that you think looks best for the project that you're doing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please pop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, a thumbs up lets YouTube know it's useful to other left-handed crocheters. And if you'd like more clear left-handed tutorials, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss a new video.